For this project, you will need a 5.5mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. Begin with a slip knot and a chain of 11. Then starting in the second chain from the hook, you're just going to make one single crochet in every chain, and at the end you will have 10 stitches. At the end of your row, you're going to want to chain 3 and turn your work. Skip over the first stitch, go into the second one, and make a double crochet. And after that, you're going to want to insert your hook, yarn over and insert your hook in between that chain 3 and double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop till you have 7 loops on your hook. Then once you have 7 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Then you're going to skip over the next stitch and work into the stitch after that. Make a double crochet. Then we're going to repeat the same thing from before. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook inside that double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop till you have 7 loops on your hook. Then you're going to want to yarn over and pull through all 7. You're going to repeat this till you have 2 stitches remaining on your project. When you have 2 stitches remaining, go into that last stitch and make a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. After you do that, you're going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch. So first make a single crochet in the double crochet from the previous round and then your bead stitch from the previous round, leaving you with 10 stitches at the end of your project. Then you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. Then you're going to skip over the first stitch going into the second stitch and make a double crochet. We're going to repeat the same row from the second row you did on this project. So go in between the chain 3 and double crochet, yarn over and pull up a loop till you have 7 loops, then yarn over and pull through all 7. Skip over the next stitch, working in the stitch after that, make a double crochet, then yarn over, insert your hook, and then keep yarning over and inserting your hook until you have 7 loops, yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Repeat that till you have 2 stitches left, then double crochet into that last stitch. Then you're just going to repeat the same thing from the third row you made, which is just your single crochet row. Just on a side note, I think this pattern looks better if you end it on a single crochet row. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.